you want, you can connect the throttle position sensor. Make sure it's clean. Just go and connect it. When you hear the click, push the tab down to secure it. This is going to go in the intake. Make sure once you get everything removed from here, make sure there's nothing else disconnected by accident or something that you're forgetting. But the only 4 things you need to disconnect is this one for the intake, sensor for the actuator, throttle position sensor, and this is for the intake also. This right here. So there's only a total of 4. So once you get those hard ones on the intake, like that. Away. So we have to place it in right here to get it in. Alright, it's in. Now you gotta get that part in there real good. Sure it goes all the way down so there's no gap. So get your screw in there. Set down right there. Put it back in there. Not all the way down because you still have to connect this right forward here. There goes the filter. Make sure it's all the way down. It's really, really important that it's all the way down. And as you can see, there's like a line right here, metal of the throttle body. That should tell you right there. You can see this right here, plastic and the throttle body. That's the level way to go. Actually, press down really, really hard. Once it's done, you can tighten this up really, really good. Like I said, don't over tighten them because they're gonna break. And then you're gonna have the loose resonating box. This also goes in. So connect them. And this job should take you like 20-30 minutes to do. Right now it's taking me longer because I'm doing it with one hand. So I'm holding the camera with the other hand. But it's alright. You get your 10mm wrench. Set it up. Like I said, do the opposite. See? Put this one right here, now I do the one in the back. Put this one right here. Okay, once they're tight enough, double check for movement. Now get your cylinder socket. Do this one here. Then connect this one. Okay. Also you hear it click. There's the tab one. This one right here. Just goes in, click. That's it. Get your filter. Filter back in. That's it. That's how you replace the throttle body for that actuator, which is this one right here. When this one goes bad, your truck will stall from out of nowhere. It will just, you'll be driving and your gas pedal won't respond. You'll just stall in safety mode or something like that. So you have to turn it off, turn it back on, but that's not safe because why if you're in the freeway or in rainy weather. So that's what you need to replace right here. Not this, but the whole throttle body, like I said. I don't know why they made it like that, but it comes together with the whole piece. But before you buy from any shop or dealer, check eBay first. That's a good way to buy. I just saved like 220 bucks right here. Alright. Hope this is useful for you guys.